So harmonic progression. What's a harmonic progression? In plain and simple words, harmonic progression is a sequence where if you reciprocate the terms of a sequence, that would result into an arithmetic progression, right? So something like this is a harmonic progression. As you can see, the denominators of these terms that I have written, they are actually in AP. So if you reciprocate terms of an AP and write them down, you are actually writing a harmonic progression, and vice versa. That means if you reciprocate terms of an harmonic progression and write it down, you are going to write a arithmetic progression, right? So a few examples I can give you, something like 1 by 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, etc. These are terms in harmonic progression. Okay, so nth term I have already written for you, so there is nothing new in this. One good thing or bad thing, whatever you want to assume it to be, there is no direct formula for finding the sum of a harmonic progression, right? Unlike for AP and GP, we had a formula for finding the sum of n terms. Harmonic progression, there is no formula to find the sum of a harmonic progression. Okay. Now, I would like to do few problems on this so that you get an idea about how to deal with harmonic progression. Just remember one thing, harmonic progression is nothing but it is a reciprocated arithmetic progression. That's it. That's it. That will solve 99% of your woes and problems. Okay. Let me take a question. Let me take a question. Okay, let's take this question. Find the first term of a HP whose second term is 5 by 4 and third term is 1 by 2. So there is a harmonic progression. First term, I don't know. Second term is 5 by 4 and third term is half. So what do you think is the first term of the harmonic progression? Do it. Very simple question. Very simple. This is a warm-up question kind of a thing. Hello, Pranav, are you not able to see the question? This is the question, Pranav. Are you able to see my screen? It's blank. Is it blank for everybody? No, people can see. You do one thing, you disconnect and join again. All right, let's check this, guys. See, first term we don't know. Okay, second term is 5 by 4. Third term is half. Okay, this is in HP. See, what does it mean? If this is in HP, that means 1 by T1, 4 by 5 and 2 are in AP. Are you getting my point? So I can directly say that this plus 2 should be equal to double of the middle term. That's the characteristic of an arithmetic progression. So 1 by T1 is equal to 8 by 5 minus 2. Right? That's nothing but minus 2 by 5. Okay. So T1 will become minus 5 by 2. Absolutely correct, Janta, who has answered with minus 5 by 2. Very well done. Easy question. Now you know how to deal with an HP. HP, if you have to deal, just reciprocate them, make it AP and apply all the concepts other than summing it up. Apply all the concepts that you know for a AP. Okay. Let's quickly wrap up with a few more questions. Yeah, let's take this one. The sum of three numbers in HP is 37 and the sum of their reciprocals is 1/4. Find the number. Very good, Aditya. Let's discuss this, guys and girls. Last question for the day. Let's discuss this. See, sum of three numbers are in HP, okay, which is 37. So, and some of the reciprocals is this. So let's say I take these numbers to be in HP, okay. So first of all, what is given? The sum of the reciprocals is 1/4. So A minus D, A plus D is equal to 1/4. That means 3A is 1/4. That means A is 1/12. Correct? Yeah. So if you put it over here, you end up getting, okay, let's put it over here. So 1 by A minus D, 1 by A, 1 by A plus D is equal to 37, right? And A is 1 by 12. So this guy will become a 12. So A minus D, A plus D will become 37 minus 12, which is 25. Okay. Here also, if you take the LCM, you get A square minus D square. Okay. And here on the numerator, you'll end up getting 2A. This is equal to 25. Correct? Okay. Now let's check what happens here. This is nothing but 1/6. So 1 by 144 minus D square is equal to 150. Am I right? Any questions here? Good enough? Okay. So 144 minus D square is 1 by 150. Okay. So D square is 144 minus 150. That is nothing but 6 by 144 by 150. By the way, 150 you can write like this. So D is nothing but 1 by 12 into 5 plus minus. So it's plus minus 1 by 60. Okay. Now, having got the value of D, you can easily figure it out. What are your terms over here? So if you put A minus D, it will become 1/12 plus 1 by 160. That is nothing but 1 by 10. And if you do A minus D, it will give you 1/10 minus 1 by 160. And that is nothing but 1 by 15. Correct? Right? So your terms could be 1 by A minus D, 1 by A, 1 by A plus D could be 15, 12, 10. It could be the other way around also, 10, 12, 15, because remember there are two values of D that will come out. One is plus 1 by 60 and other is minus 1 by 60. So both will give you two different answers. Let me tell you, some of you have mentioned 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10. No, that is not the answer. They are asking you the terms in the HP. Okay. So the three numbers in HP are 15, 12, and 10, or 10, 12, 15. Okay. Got the point? Aditya? Let me tell you. Yeah, let me tell you what answer you have given. No. That will be sitting in the options and you will confidently mark it and come back. Okay. Anyways, so we'll stop with the HP part. Again,